All right, folks, we've got Joseph here from Alltrades. He has just been on the Trading Up podcast. We've done an hour-long interview where he reveals his trading journey today and a whole bunch of other stuff. Really worthwhile going and checking out. There should be a link under this video, depending on where you're listening to it or watching it. So, Joseph, over to you. You're going to show us through some of the stuff you talked about on the show and maybe a few other things as well. So, over to you.
All right, so here's the trade here. This is the CAD yen. So in the group, I mentioned it round about here. Okay, so that's around about the 15th, 16th of Jan. I said, look, this is on the watch list. Now, why it's on the watch list is, as you can see, it's going up, it's trending up. But obviously, what goes up must come down, right? So I draw a single line trend line that follows the 50 MA, which is the yellow line here. It broke the trend line here. I call that a fake out. Sometimes the market will fake you out. You think it's going to go, and it's not really going to go. So then you got to watch it. So I saw the fake out. I saw it came back up. I was like, okay, keep an eye. So I drew a level here. It went up above, and then you see where it comes down below the trend line.
Yeah.
If you drop to the 15-minute chart, this is the hour chart, but if you drop to the 15-minute chart on that, yeah, look, you're going to see that it's breaking the 15-minute 50 MA as well. So for me, there's several trades here. But what I will do, okay, so I'm in already here, okay, and what I will do is fib the leg that breaks the structure, that breaks the trend line. So there's, on the 15-minute chart, you do this. You're going to trade that to the 618 fib. Pullback is at the 50%, see, 50% fib. And you're going to target the 618 to the 200. 618 for safety, 200, right?
Yep.
If you want to, and then I always leave a runner.
Yep.
Okay. On the hour chart, it looks more interesting, doesn't it? Because here, you can see that's what you saw on the 15. It was only a little bit, but look, it's broken the single line trend line. You can even draw another one. Look. It's broken the single line trend line there, right? So if you do the same thing, fib the leg that breaks the trend line, right? Pull back, it's the same to the 50%, right? Even went to a 382, but 50% your entry, right? And then let it run. You're going to 618 to the 200, leave a run, and look where you're going.
How many pips is that?
That's a beautiful trade. You're looking at, that's 130 pips. Okay. Now that's a CAD yen. The chef yen I still have in play. Okay, here's the top positions where I got in, as I said, right? And the leg, we're at the 200. I've moved stops to being in profit. Okay, I'm targeting down here. And the reason being is because if you go to the 4-hour chart, there you are. That's the level we're targeting right there. This one is slow as it's so slow. This one moving. These ones, look, the 200 fib is coming up. You see here how it did not hit the 200 fib? It might not hit it, but I'm guessing that it's going to do similar to what
you mean the moving average, 200 moving average or 200 fib?
200 moving average there, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing, right, it might hit it, but it might not. So I'll take off profit in the morning. Probably, if it's going to turn up, you probably get a double bottom and turn up. So I'll take up profit on 2 of them, and I'll leave a couple of them to see if they get down here. So I'm always putting multiple positions on, because of course you'll take off profit. There's 5 positions. You'll take off profit on 2 or 3 of them. You leave a couple of them, see what happens. And it might run on, it might not. If it comes back, then you just cut them out. You've already made money. So, either way, you're making money. Today, I said to the guys in the group, it looks like this is going to fall. And it always depends on what chart you look at. But it was up here, and I said to the guys, it looks like this is just going to literally fall off the planet. And then so said, so done. It did. It was beautiful.
Nice. Well, look, thank you once again for coming on the show and showing us your charts. What's the best way for the guys to get hold of you?
Also, by the way, forexfactory.com/alltrades245. If you
Oh,
go
okay.
there, you'll see my trading stats, and you'll also see there's a link in there somewhere that provides you the Telegram group. So that's another way of getting through to me.
Brilliant. Okay. Well, look, folks, as I mentioned at the start, we did an hour-long interview with Joseph where he goes into all the details of how he got started, how he found success, and a whole bunch of other things as well. So, guys, worthwhile checking out. There should be a link under the video, or click on one of the links somewhere around here as well. All right, guys. Thanks again, Joseph, and all the best.
All right. Cheers, mate. Thank you.